Can we get work done on skirt? On a lot of fabrics, some you can, some you can't. Some fabrics are very delicate, so work cannot be done on that. Drape sarees we have, but today we are we are doing only bridesmaid lehenga. I guess we are getting ready. No problem. Till then, I'll just answer a couple of questions. Do you have pastel pink bridal lehengas? Bridal lehenga to every color and every category we have. We have from pastel, we have from red, maroon, wine, pink, any and every color we have. One more very beautiful. ये वही जो blue वाला है, the blue one which you know a couple of pieces पीछे, ये उसी में वेरिएशन है. ये सेम फैब्रिक उसी में है. अगर आपको ये पैटर्न में वो कलर चाहिए तो वो भी बन जाएगा, और वो कलर में ये वो पैटर्न में ये कलर चाहिए, कैन बी डन. वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. ये दिस इज अ डिफरेंट. इसका ब्लाउज टोटली हैंडमेड है. वेरी वेरी हैवी ब्लाउज. बैक सी ब्यूटीफुल. इसका प्राइस रेंज दिस इज 29,800. वो 22,800 है जो ब्लू वाला. दिस इज 29,800. पैटर्न का दिस इज नॉट कलर्स रेट. This is the pattern's price. Even if the blue one, if you want in this pattern, it will cost you the same. If this color you want in blue, same price. One more towel. This is 29,800. Very very beautiful. Bridesmaid gown we don't have. सिर्फ लहंगे आपको मिलेंगे and a couple of very selected sarees. Like we have stopped almost everything. Indo-Western and all we keep obviously, but gowns and all we have stopped. We want to focus majorly on lehengas, and we cannot do that if we have a couple of more products in our hand. We want to focus only on lehengas. Very very beautiful, very heavy. It's around 12-13 meters box plating done of fabric. Organza dupatta, totally handmade blouse. Wow. Wow. These are fixed rates. हमने सेल्स वगैरह जितनी भी करनी थी सारी हो गई. अब these are fixed rates for this year until next the season ends. There will be no sales whatsoever. Wow. इसका price range
24,800.
This is 24,800. One more towel here. This is 24,800. Very very beautiful piece. इसमें भी color customize. इसमें बहुत colors है. Almost every color you can imagine we have in this. Beautiful. Zoom for material detail मैं इसमें नहीं कर पाऊंगा, बट आप वीडियो कॉल करोगे, फोटो बोलोगे, we'll get it done. But here with models I cannot do that. Oh wow. Very very beautiful and elegant piece. Wow. Very amazing. Again in this also we have around 6 to 7 colors if I'm not wrong, or maybe 4 colors, but we have color options. Right now we have got the pattern ready for the season. We have cuttings of colors. Whenever you DM us, we'll give you the color options whichever you want. But this is so that you can get started on your orders, you can get started on what you want. Wow. One close up. इसके घेरे अराउंड 8 meters के घेरे हैं. वाओ. The back is very amazing. Wow. This price range? This is 22,800. Collaborations are stopped. Abhi collaborations we are not doing because see, we need our products. We have a lot of orders. We have a lot of already commitment to our clients. So first we need to fulfill that. Very beautiful. इसके दो colors हैं, one pink and one this black. Very very beautiful. Very very beautiful. Blouse is totally handmade, plating fabric done, organza ka ruffle dupatta, like every box checks in this. A lot of ghera, it's around 10-12 meters ka ghera. Back is neither broad neither short, like everything is perfect. जब बस लटकन आएंगे वहाँ पे, लटकन अभी किसी में भी अरेंज नहीं है, but once you get delivered obviously you'll get लटकन, don't worry. You know, as soon as the pieces get ready ना, मेरे को होता है बस लाइव कर दो. Designers fight with me a lot कि सर पीस कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, लटकन बाकी है. मेरे को होता है मैं जल्दी से जल्दी दिखा दूं बस. Beautiful. This is 19,800. Wow. 112 here. इसका घेरा it's around 10 meters का घेरा. अच्छा, my camera is on a little on wide angle because of the flickering. अगर if I keep it properly, इसका घेरा यहाँ fit भी नहीं होएगा. Next. कुछ पसंद आए तो बताना. क्या पसंद नहीं आ रहा पहले मुझे वो बताओ. पलक मैम लिख रही है मेरा तो ध्यान नहीं रखता, कंचन ठाकुर दिखाओ ध्यान. क्यों भाई, मैम का ध्यान क्यों नहीं रखते हो आप, पलक मैम का? What if you want less can? See, can obviously it depends on you. If you want less can, definitely like can is a very personal choice. Somebody wants a little flary, somebody wants a falling one, so that is totally on you. The collection is the best one at the prices. Thank you so much. ऊपर कोई लिख रहा था prices आ रहा है. I just don't want to reply even कि मैं क्या बोलूँ अब. The prices which are set on these are the best we have ever done. I will not say about others. ये लहंगा साड़ी आ गई फिश कट में, नीचे साथ में लहंगा, ऊपर साड़ी का ड्रेप है. वाओ, इसमें भी बहुत कलर ऑप्शंस हैं. ब्लाउज टोटली हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी. सी ऑब्वियसली राज कराना है तो हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी तो रहेगी, टचअप रहेगा. इवन दो इफ दे आर फैब्रिकेशंस वी आर स्टार्टिंग टू यूज, बट हैंडवर्क टचअप हमेशा ही रहेगा. दैट इज अ स्टेपल, कि हमारा वी आर नोन फॉर दैट एंड वी वांट टू कीप दैट. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. वाओ, ये एक बारी बैक घूमना सब. ये यहाँ पे देखो, ये पूरी प्लेटिंग आएगी. या in one small towel. This is how much? 1600. This is 16,800. अच्छा, नीचे भी घेरा है. घेरा हमने कहीं नहीं छोड़ा है. Even though if it's fish cut, we have a little घेरा so that you can towel and have good photos in that. Color options बहुत सारे हैं. Color options you have to DM us again. I'm telling, हम लोग ने अभी single colors, किसी के 2 colors ready हुए हैं. But we have started to pattern ready कराए and we have color options ready to put. Last one was 16,800. We'll just wait a couple more seconds. Price of this, the last one 16 and how much? Color options again, बहुत सारे color options हैं. वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. थोड़ा सा रेडी होने में टाइम जा रहा है. जस्ट बेयर विद मी अ लिटिल, कपल ऑफ सेकेंड्स. दिस वॉज नॉट प्लान्ड. ये इसका कोई प्रिपरेशन नहीं रहा है. थोड़े से मूडी है हम लोग. द न्यू ब्राइडल कलेक्शन इज लाइव. द टोटल कलेक्शन इज लाइव एट स्टोर फ्रॉम टुडे. एज सून एज द सेल एंडेड, द कलेक्शन इज टोटली लाइव, बट वील डू लाइव्स एज सून एज वी कैन. Oh wow, double shaded, the ombre shading has been done in this, from brown to black. Blouse is totally handwork. Canada, yes, definitely. Anywhere. The blouse is totally handmade, ruffle dupatta. The fabric is very silky smooth, once you get to feel it. Very, very beautiful. This is the blouse. In this we have, I guess, one color option. There's not a lot of colors options because this fabric has to be dyed in a different way. The ombre pattern, in this much smoothness, the ombre smoothness is done by machine. So we have, I guess, 2 options, color options in this. very beautiful. This is how much?
18.8.
This is 18,800. Very beautiful. But although all designs are too beautiful, thank you so much. This is again around 10 meters fabric. One more close up किया. Even here the handwork is done on this. The blouse is totally handmade, ruffle dupattas, and one last one. Very beautiful design. This was 16,800. Last one, 18,800. Sorry, 18,800. Yeah. This is again, साड़ी लहंगा, नीचे पूरा लहंगे का पैटर्न दिया, ऊपर साड़ी ड्रेपिंग है. The sleeves have a little drama on them. The blouse is totally handmade. बहुत प्यारा कलर है, शैम्पेन कलर, शैम्पेन गोल्ड कलर. इसमें भी I guess obviously a lot of color options in this. Handmade blouse embroidered, that is totally in our hand. Sleeves are wow, very beautiful. This is 16,800. When you are getting ready, make sure ये pleating अच्छे से हुआ है. Next. जब डिस्काउंट में ये सब थे ही नहीं. ये सारे अभी फ्रेश कलेक्शन उतरी है. There were a couple of pieces available at store when in sale, but we were not offering discount on these. These are totally fresh. ये आजकल में तो उतर रहे, इस पे थोड़ी ना डिस्काउंट होगा. Wow, totally black. There's something about these black pieces ना, like you एक बारी रुक के कोई आप black piece पहन के निकलेगा, you will definitely stop and see कौन जा रहा है. Beautiful. ये वही वाला पीस है जो पहले इसका लहंगा था और इसका ब्लाउज था, अभी ये उल्टा हो गया. But pattern is different. Very beautiful. This is again 15,800. थोड़ा सा आगे भाई. Very beautiful black back. And one more towel. This is 15. वो भी 15,800 था ना? 14 नहीं, ये भी 14,800 है. हाँ. This is also 14,800. This is 14,800. Both the same patterns are 14,800. चलेगा. Do you know? Pretty. This definitely will post, don't worry. Again, very beautiful piece. A couple of pieces are from iconic collection, but वो इतने ज़्यादा hit है, we had to put them here. And that was also again not in sale. Color है इसमें. Yes, definitely there's a lot of color options in that. The last black one. इसमें भी बहुत सारे color options हैं. Almost any and every color you want is available in this. Beautiful. Very beautiful bag with a bow knot on the back. This is in Mumbai, not in Lucknow. But we can get these lehengas at Lucknow, don't worry. Very beautiful piece. This is how much? 13.8. This is 13,800. It's a ruffle dupatta. If you want, we can obviously arrange a dupatta for you. But these pieces don't need dupatta. See, ऊपर high neck है, back में वो है. So if you carry a dupatta, इसकी show चली जाएगी. One more close up. Does this come with a dupatta? Again, same. Definitely, if you want a dupatta, we can arrange a dupatta for you. But I'll suggest that don't wear a dupatta. Baki, it's obviously your comfort zone, your wish. This was 13,800. One more beautiful. ये इसी का कलर क्या? Yeah, one more color went जिसका मस्टर्ड दुपट्टा था. ये उसी का कलर है. Not a lot of change in color. वो हल्का सा मस्टर्डी टोन में था. ये थोड़ा अनियन टोन में है. A little on the pinkish onion color. सेम उसी का पैटर्न है, बस उसका कलर है ये अवेलेबल. वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. वेरी हेवी घेराज. I'll just show you the plating. इसमें कितनी सारी plating है. If you go and count, there are around 30-40 platings. So there is a lot of fabric goes in this. Even though this is totally on fabrication, but this, around सिर्फ लहंगे में, if I'm not wrong, around 8 to 9 meters fabric goes in this. Wow. 12 घूमता तो you can see how much fabric is used in this. And the same fabric is used in dupatta. This is how much? This is 11,800 था. I thought around 14-15 तक होएगा. This is 11,800. Very very beautiful. Very very beautiful piece. Close up front. See, I am showing as much as I can along with models. Having models in this live was because कुछ pieces हैं जब तक वो drape नहीं होंगे you won't understand how this is gonna look on your body, how much घेरा it is. So that is why we chose to do this with models. So with models I cannot come up front and all. So but yeah, as soon as you get on video call, come to the store, we can definitely show you. This is totally handmade. There is no fabrication and all. ये totally handwork के ऊपर है. Wow. Very fresh color. Any color can be made in this. Organza का attachment है साथ में. A lot of drama has been done here. Then with the dupatta. Wow. One sleeve is given. वेरी अमेजिंग. अब ये मैं ऐसे हैंगर में दिखाऊंगा, आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगा इसकी लुक क्या है. वाओ, वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. इसका प्राइस रेंज है 35,800. इसका एक बार क्लोजअप दिखाएं. See, this is totally handwork. The stones, the pearls and all used for this. Very, very heavy embroidery has been done on this. And any color can be made. This is totally handwork. This is around 2 months booking because handwork is included in this. Beautiful. Kanchana ma'am, for your next. Don't worry ma'am, I'll give you the queue. This was 35,800. Another very beautiful piece. I'll show you the work close up in this. This is, even though this is fabric, this is very heavy fabric. Yeah, the Swarovski stones have been stuck on this. This is totally the shine is coming from Swarovski stones, and the blouse is again hand embroidery with ruffle dupatta. Very very beautiful. ये आ गया बैक. See, back is a little bigger on her, so वो ऐसे आ रहा है, वरना वो पूरा V shape आएगा black back में. Wow. The घेरा in this is a little more, like it's around 8-9 meters. Wow. Oh my god. The color is very different. In camera it's looking very very pretty. Beautiful. इसका प्राइस रेंज क्या है? This is 29,800. This is 29,800. Beautiful. We have two more colors in this. One is dark navy blue and one wine color. Very, very beautiful. Beautiful. Ivory color in this, if I'm not wrong, we have an ivory color. You know, you get in touch with us, we'll definitely let you know which colors are this. रेंट पे नहीं मैम, ये सब तो आप ऑर्डर दोगे तो आपके लिए बनेंगे. ये आउटफिट मैं आपके साथ देख रहा हूँ. इसका प्राइस भी मुझे नहीं पता एक्चुअली. विकास, इसका प्राइस मुझे बिल्कुल कोई आइडिया नहीं. इसका प्राइस दिस इज अराउंड, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, 30-35 के बीच में है. दिस इज अराउंड beautiful. Just let me figure it out in a couple of seconds. Okay. This is around 35,000 exact. I cannot let you know because मैं खुद अभी अपने सामने देख रहा हूँ. I'm not sure about the price. Very beautiful. एक बारी पास आना. This is again hand embroidered. I am a little surprised by this, but it's looking very good. नीचे ruffles हैं पूरे added. Blouse full sleeves वाला. इसका दुपट्टा please नहीं. Don't ask दुपट्टा with this. मिल जाएगा but don't. Yeah. One last twirl will do with this. Wow. This is around 35. It can go a little higher, a little lower. I'm not sure. So please don't. पकड़ के मत बैठ जाना, मैंने ये बोला था. Can you remove the ruffles from pink? हो जाएंगे remove, पर इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. Once you see it in real life, it's very amazing. But yeah, if you want to remove, if you want to do it fully, that we can do that. This is, इसके orders थक गए हम लोग, you know. Even in sale, people were buying fresh, you know, this and the red one, which we started with. People were buying कि नहीं, offer छोड़ दो, यही piece चाहिए मुझे. If I'm not wrong, around 8 or 9 days, 7 or 8 days, ये और red वाले हुए, and we have already 2 months की booking है इसकी. Please keep in mind, 2 months की booking है. Do you have to take appointment before visiting? See, appointments are not necessary. You can definitely come, but if appointments are going on, preference is given to them. So it's better if you see appointments are free. They're of no charge. So if you know you are coming, better book an appointment. Come so that we can, you know, have arrangements for you. इसका price range क्या है? This is 36,800. This is 36,800. 2 months booking. This red one, even the last one which went, the heavier side we move on, the, you know, the wait time will increase. इसका एक बारी close up. Yeah. And the back. लटकन आप देख लो कैसे डेलिकेट लटकन हैं. वैसे सबके साथ आने वाले हैं. I did not give them enough time कि वो ये अरेंज कर पाए. इसमें दो या 3 कलर्स आते हैं. But वो सब in making है. You'll have to DM us again. I'll let you know the colors. One more last twirl in this. This is my like favorite piece. This is 35,800. 36,800. Beautiful. Can this be customized in gown? Yes, definitely. If you want to customize this in gown, we can do that. Very beautiful blouse, high neck blouse. अब सी इसके साथ रफल दुपट्टा चाहिए आपको, इसके साथ ठीक लगेगा. If you want that to carry in, you know, side of the hands, we can do that. इसमें 20 meters घेरा जाता है. ऐसे नहीं समझ आएगा. इसके अंदर लेयरिंग बहुत है नेट की. ब्लाउज हैंडवर्क वाला है. It's around 20 meters घेरा plus. Back. Wow. Amazing. And one twirl here. Wow. Very, very beautiful. This is how much? This is 18,800. This is lilac color. If you want in pink, we can do that. This is again simple fabric. Any color you want, we can do that in this. ये पिंक में भी बनता है. We started this in pink. We made this in pink. Beautiful. One close up. See, the blouse is totally hand embroidered. And one last twirl. Beautiful. 16 na? 18,800. I'm so sorry. 18,800. हमसे ले लो 8,000 में. ले लो अमन से, जिसको लेना ले लो. It's weird, you know. क्या बोलना है इसके बारे में, छोड़ो. There are a lot of different things, a lot of different variations done in this. You know, if we use a little less fabric, a little less handwork, the price will decrease, but the quality won't be the same. We want to give you quality and with price. That is why this new collection, starting from 11-1200 and up to 30-35,000. And ये तो जो हम लोग 30-35 pieces दिखा रहे हैं, around 100 pieces will be ready by by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. A lot of options, but we can cover, as to speak, a little only on the live sessions. You'll have to make appointments. You'll have to come to the stores to see the rest of the collection. Very, very beautiful. A little rose gold blouse, very dramatic blouse. Sleeves का ये pattern दिया हुआ है higher, इसके साथ totally hand embroidery. Yeah. And back ones, yeah. This is how much? This is again 18,800. Plating is done. इसकी अब बाकियों की plating, very settled plating. अब इसकी plating हल्की, we're given a little bulk to it. This is 18,800. Very beautiful. Again, almost a lot of colors are available in this. Darker shades, pastel shades. Beautiful. This can be worn even in your own reception. If you have a light reception with a couple of people.
Oh, I love you so much.
Again, plating वाला लहंगा with handwork blouse. This is the same fabric. अब इसका blouse का variation अलग है. इसका ब्लाउज का वेरिएशन इतना प्यारा है. Like the back is very, very amazing. Wow. इसके साथ रफल दुपट्टा है, right now नहीं है, because back छुप जाती है if we gave the दुपट्टा. But yeah, इसके साथ रफल दुपट्टा है. Wow. Around 12 to 13 meters. आप देख रहे हो कितना फैब्रिक है. Not 12 to 13, 14 to 15 meters of fabric has been wow. This is how much? 22,800. Huh? 22,800. This is 22,800. This is 22,800. Wow. The blouse is very heavy in this. One more close up. This is 22,800. The blouse is very heavy. The work used on the blouse is very different. This is मैं इसके कलर के नाम ही नहीं ले पाऊंगा. It's a little different. Like कोई किसी को हल्का इसमें गोल्ड दिखेगा, रोज गोल्ड दिखेगा. It's mixture of a lot of colors. Beautiful. 22,800 this one was. It has a dupatta with it, but right now we didn't give ruffle dupatta, organza or net, I'm not sure. I guess a couple of pieces are left. WhatsApp number, everything. अच्छा, please be aware of a lot of scams are happening. Comments में WhatsApp number लिखे जाते हैं, कुछ comments करते हैं. So please don't believe that. Our only official number is given there, and we won't ask you to WhatsApp a lot. We'll ask you to DM. So yeah. So if you're if you're ordering from WhatsApp, please confirm with a DM. DM us officially to know that is this the official channel. A lot of people, once we post, a lot of people post कि contact on this WhatsApp number. Please don't, you know, a lot of people have been scammed. Very beautiful metallic color. Blouse is very, very nice. Hand embroidery done on the top. See the यहाँ जो belt दिख रही है ना, this will be plain. Yeah, this will be very plain. अभी ये size के हिसाब से accordingly we have kept a little, you know, extra size so that everybody can try. Once we are making from your size, वो plate पूरी plain आएगी. हाँ. Yeah, these outfit can be made in plus size, almost 2XL, 3XL तक तो see. I'll be very honest with you, almost everything can be made in big sizes. Prices may increase but very little, and that also above, you know, double XL. If it goes above that, like 4XL, 5XL, a little price may increase but not much. But yeah, can be made in any size. These can be made up to 4, 5XLs, and as small as, you know, till extra small. $16,000. मेरे को लगा ये 25-27 का होएगा. This is 16,800. Very, very beautiful. नहीं, इसके साथ कोई दुपट्टा मांगेगा भी तो भी नहीं दूंगा मैं. पूरा ब्लाउज छुप जाएगा दुपट्टे के साथ. Beautiful. Wow. अब लास्ट 3 पीस रह गए, सो आई रिपीट अ कपल ऑफ थिंग्स. आवर स्टोर इज एट लोखंडवाला, अंधेरी, मुंबई. वी शिप वर्ल्ड वाइड. दोनों की अपॉइंटमेंट्स, वर्चुअल अपॉइंटमेंट्स या स्टोर विजिट अपॉइंटमेंट्स, यू नो, यू गो टू अ प्रोफाइल, क्लिक द लिंक इन द बायो, and you know you can book both appointments. As always, collection is fire. Thank you so much. Walk-ins are allowed, but preference is given to the appointments. Appointments are free. You know, आगे पीछे half an hour also you are here and there, it doesn't matter. But if we know you are coming, we'll have arrangements done for you. Definitely all the collection is available at the store. Reselling we don't give. Very very beautiful piece. ब्लाउज का ये फॉलिंग पैटर्न, दिस इज टोटली, द ब्लाउज इज टोटली हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड. दिस इज ऑल्सो हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड. द बेल्ट इज हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड. नीचे ऑर्गेन्जा. दिस इज द न्यू ऑर्गेन्जा, लिटिल यू नो सॉफ्टर ऑर्गेन्जा, जॉर्जेट ऑर्गेन्जा. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पीस. इसमें भी कोई कलर ऑप्शन, एनी कलर यू वांट वी कैन गेट इट डन. राइट नाउ दिस मरून लुक्स वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. If I order in October, मैम सी इनके ना स्लॉट्स होते हैं. इट इज नॉट दैट यू विल नॉट गेट गुड कलेक्शन इन अक्टूबर. डेफिनेटली यू आप अक्टूबर में हो गए, बट इनकी बुकिंग कंप्लीट हो जाएगी बाय सितंबर एंड विल बी क्लोजिंग बुकिंग्स ऑफ दीज, बिकॉज देन 3 months की बुकिंग चली जाती है ना. So if you have a you know particular design in mind that I want this, even if you're you know it's a little you have your function a little late, but get it booked, because then these pieces won't be available. Very beautiful. This is how much? This this is 22,800. Very very beautiful piece. This is 22,800. Last 2 pieces are left. लास्ट 2 और लास्ट सिंगल पीस ले. कितने पीस? 1 या 2? 2 पीस और रहते हैं. दिस वॉज अ लिटिल ट्रिकी इवन फॉर अस. पहली बार ऐसे यू नो वी डिड विद मॉडल, सो दैट यू कैन गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि ये एक्चुअली पहनने के बाद कैसा लग रहा है, टोल कैसा आ रहा है. बिकॉज हैंगर्स में इवन दो यू नो दैट इज बिन आवर स्टाइल फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बट यू वोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि बेसिकली उसमें यू नो कैसे दिख रहा है यू नो ऑन बॉडी. लास्ट 2 pieces आर लेफ्ट. अब वो शायद बहुत अच्छे पीसेस, इसलिए वेट बहुत ज्यादा कराया जा रहा है. बट सी, यू एंड आई कैन वेट. दैट्स व्हाट वी कैन डू. आई वांट टू विजिट द स्टोर. डेफिनेटली यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. If I want a bridal lehenga in Feb, bridal lehenga are 4 months at least. Please keep that in mind. See, कुछ bridal lehenga readily available है, कुछ महीने पे भी available है. But if you want a bridal lehenga जो आप customize करा रहे हो अपने हिसाब से, so keep 4 months आराम से. Congratulations on the amazing sale you recently had. Thank you so much. Do you ship in USA? Definitely, anywhere, all around the world. How much is this outfit? जो लास्ट वाला गया वो that was 22,800. Beautiful blouse. This is अब आपको if you know ऐसा ब्लाउज चाहिए, थोड़ा सा heavy high neck with sleeves, any can be done. वो उसमें भी हो पाएगा. Don't worry. Different patterns have been ready so that you can you know cross select कि इसका पैटर्न इसमें कर दो, इसका लहंगा इसमें. Anything is possible in this. These are own production. ये सब हम लोग खुद बनाने जा रहे हैं. The handmade is embroidery. The fabric is ours. So any and every customization and every size is done available. A lot of color options will be there. Beautiful. One more towel. इसका price range? This is 18,800. Very heavy blouse. This is 18,800. Very very beautiful. I guess one more piece. दुपट्टा obviously किसी के साथ भी चलेगा, but please ये सब के साथ दुपट्टे मत लेना. ब्लाउज का लुक पूरा चला जाएगा. This is the fixed rate. अब there is no sale for the oncoming at least for 4-5 months. So there is no sale upcoming for this season. बहुत सारी सेलें कर ली, जितनी मुझे उम्मीद भी नहीं थी और मैं चाहता भी नहीं था उतनी सेलें कर ली इस साल. So अब सेल्स खत्म होगी, अब कलेक्शन पे कलेक्शन आएगी. Oh my god. So we wanted to end with this piece. Very very beautiful piece. This is ये टेल कट के साथ है. ताजीम इसका टेल फैला दो. इसका अच्छा तनवीर आएगा। ये पूरा टेल के साथ है। हाँ हाँ, ओ वाह। हाँ, एक साथ में लड़का ऐसा लगेगा जो साथ में लेके चल रहा है। ब्यूटिफुल पीस, ब्यूटिफुल। This is again totally on glitter. This is glitter के साथ a little embroidery has been done on this fabric. Very very heavy, you know, lehenga. You need someone to carry this with you. I won't lie, थोड़ा सा it's a little difficult, but obviously pictures ऐसी आएंगी, सब देखेंगे तो थोड़ा तो चलता है ना. Blouse embroidery, you know, totally hand embroidered blouse. Very very. We have posted the video of this very very heavy ghera. You want more in this? We can do that also. Blouse is totally one close up. We'll do. Wow. This is how much?
3800.
This is 30. No, the price was changed in this.
31800.
31,800. This is 31,800. Very very beautiful. Yeah. एक close up इसका करें. So this was it for today. Thank you so much everyone for joining. I hope you most comfortable and best collection. Thank you. This was 31,800. So bye bye. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.